Hey guys, it's Sadie. Today I'm gonna be filming a clean my room with me, or like tidy plus clean. You guys probably think that my room is literally clean all the time because I do like tidy it up often. I feel like I'm a really tidy person, but I'm not a super clean freak person, which is like something that you guys probably get confused about me. My room is pretty much, I would say like 70% of the time tidy. Like everything is kind of in its spot. Like I might have a couple of things like laying around or something, but it's usually tidy, but it's not always clean. So today I'm going to basically go from like top to bottom. I'm gonna dust everything, like wipe everything off, clean everything, but I'm also going to be doing kind of like a purge. So I'm gonna be going through all of my drawers and my bins and my files, even literally like everything, and just basically cleaning up everything in my room and my other room, which is my closet. I am really excited, and the feeling that you get after you've finished is literally so nice. I'm so excited for that feeling. So I'm going to bring you guys along and show you guys how I tidy and clean my room, and hopefully this will inspire you guys to do the same. I'm gonna put my Spotify down below. It has like a lot of nice cleaning songs to it. This hoodie, I know I'm gonna get 8 trillion questions on it. I got it from the Instagram page Unknown Hoodies, and I will link it down below. So with that said, I'm gonna start cleaning my room. have been cleaning my room for maybe 4 hours. I think that took me 4 hours with some snack breaks in between. I'm actually exhausted. I didn't think it would be this exhausting. Did you like that voice crack? Yeah, thanks. I feel like everything is spotless right now. Like, I feel so accomplished. I hope it was satisfying for you because I always find these so satisfying. As I said before, I will link the playlist that I was listening to down below, and I'll also put in the eye some other cleaning and organizing videos that I have. I have a ton of those. So yeah, thank you so much for watching and for taking the time to come to my channel and view this video. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.